बात करोगे भाई?
Oh, but
आप बात करेंगे?
क्यों नहीं?
पर्सनल टॉक?
Oh, why not?
Where are you from, sir?
I'm Kerala.
How long have you been here?
It's been, I think, 20 days.
20 days.
Yeah.
Okay. All okay?
Oh, okay, it's going on. I'm on a mission that I have to fulfill. After that, I will go back.
All the best, sir.
Thank you.
Come here for Bhairav Baba?
Yeah.
Same.
I've been doing Bhairav Sadhana.
Same. I'm very 3 years my sadhana's been going very well, but I've faced a lot of problem in my life this year.
Problem means it is not connected with your sadhana or something else. There are some other reason for that. You have to find it out. What's the real problem? Maybe the way of doing something or something else. You have to analyze that and find it out and correct it.
Yeah.
That we have to do. It is not something related to Bhairava or sadhana or something else.
I mean, I get strength from Baba. It's not...
Yes, you will. Of course, you will get. No doubt. Don't be doubtful. Don't be doubtful. See, I'm an old man, but even though I'm living here,
Strong.
Yeah, why not? I can talk. I can walk. I can. Yesterday, how hot it was. I slept at after 1 o'clock in the night. Even though I'm living here, I have to stay here. I have to fulfill my mission. Huh? So no. That's what is life also. In life, in real life, you have to face so many situations. But what's the real? Normally, the real problem is we are getting worried or we are getting tensed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the real problem.
You have any advice for me?
What I have to advise? This is what I have been doing. You just listen. Then if you listen to me, you can correct almost all the things. That's what it is. It's not an advice. I'm not a learned person. I'm not such a person to advise.
When did you
But-
start sadhana, sir?
Sorry, what sadhana? Bhairav sadhana.
Yeah.
Originally, not too much time. I'm already in the Siddha Yoga
Okay.
lineage, and I've been doing my own spiritual practice there.
Okay.
And this Bhairav sadhana I have started recently.
Yeah.
No, not to achieve something else, but I'm fond of him. That's it. That's the only reason.
Yeah.
Not to achieve something this or that. I'm not at all worrying or for something. No.
Happy.
Yes, not happy but joyful. That's it.
Understood.
It is not simple happiness, but it is joyful. I'm joyful.
Yeah.
That's what I can say. And it is constant.
जस्ट मुझे बाबा मिले यहाँ, पहली स्पिरिचुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन इस पूरी ट्रिप की आई फील बेसिकली शॉर्ट में उन्होंने बस यही बोला कि दिमाग को शांत रखो, बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा. खुद के दिमाग को हैंडल करना सीखो, साधना ज़्यादा करो, योगा करो, बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा. क्योंकि जिन मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है ज़िंदगी में, वो ज़िंदगी का ही हिस्सा है. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट्स क्रिएटेड बाय गॉड. यही ज़िंदगी का नेचर है. तो इट्स बेटर कि उन सिचुएशंस को कंट्रोल करने के बदले खुद के दिमाग को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करो. ठीक है, आई नो थोड़ी सी जनरल एडवाइस है. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत बार पॉडकास्ट पर यही एडवाइस मिली है, बट maybe it's about the simple things.